Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on the phone. It'll appear at the bottom here. Sometimes it'll just come up as mobile and change to sync, or hands-free and change to sync. We'll see what happens anyway. So you can either go to phone or menu. I'll do it the easy way. Phone, BT devices, no phones paired, please add a phone. So you've got add there and cancel there. So we want to add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So there you go, it's already found sync. So as it's telling me to do, select.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, we've got the choices here of yes and no, so yes and no there, so yes, and then pair on the phone. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using it again, but you will, so I'll click don't allow, and it's already showing.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So there you go. It's asking me if I want to download PhoneBook. I don't, but again, you probably will, so I'll click no there. And you've got all your controls up there and sync connected. Another great thing with this system is